Hey there. Ever caught yourself dreaming of living in Tampa, hottest zip code like 33626, 33625, or 33615? Well, there is a reason they are buzzing. Stick around as we dive deep into the real estate goldmine of West Tampa's neighborhood gems. You won't want to miss that. Have you ever wondered what makes these three zip codes so attractive for housing in Tampa? It's as simple as cause and effect. These three areas offer the three most important factors when someone decides when they want to live. First, location and accessibility. Proximity to essential amenities such as schools, hospitals, shopping centers, and public transportation can be a significant factor. Two, safety. Low crime rates are always a big draw for families and individuals alike. A community that is perceived as safe is always in demand. And three, affordability. If the housing prices in those zip codes are competitive compared to neighboring areas, it can be a hotspot for new homeowners or investors. Today, I want to show you the real estate market trends in these three adjacent neighborhoods in the West Tampa area. Let's talk about numbers because they tell a story. Last year, we saw a trend where inventory was tighter than a drum. Houses were selling like hotcakes. But this year, in 2023, has brought us a fresh breeze. We have seen a slight increase in listings, giving buyers more options to choose from. It's like the housing market took a deep breath, and now we have got a bit of more room to stretch our arms. By the way, this is Marilyn Santalices here, your guide through the twists and turns of Tampa's real estate maze. Before we dive in, if you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel to stay updated on the latest market insights. Let's make smart move together. Zip code 33626. Market type. The indicator certainly shows we are leaning toward a seller market. This essentially means that the demand for homes is outpacing the supply. In such market, sellers typically have a upper hand as there are more buyers vying for few homes. The key details. Months of inventory 1.33. This means that if no new homes come onto the market, it would take only 1.33 months to sell all the current listings at the current sales pace. A figure under 4 to 5 months usually indicates a seller's market. The fact that it's risen by 5.56% month over month suggests a slight cooling, but is still very much in the seller's favor. List to sold price percentage, 98.7%. Homes are selling very close to their listing prices, suggesting that they are priced correctly and there is not a lot of room for negotiation. An increase of 0.28% from the previous month further indicates that sellers are gaining even more leverage. Median days 7. Homes are selling incredibly quickly, with the median time on the market being just a week. The 50% decrease month over month indicates that homes are now selling twice as fast as they were the previous month. And the median sold price is $510,000. The median price of homes sold stands at $510,000. However, this represents a drop of 12.45% from the previous month. This might indicate that while homes are selling quickly, they are selling for slightly lower price than before. It is a fascinating trend and might suggest that more affordable or smaller homes are selling faster, or there might be some seasonal effects at play. In conclusion, this zip code 33626 remains a hot seller's market. Homes are selling rapidly and very close to their asking price, and the slight increase in inventory and the drop in the median sold price are notable trends indicating a slight balance may be coming into play. However, with the high demand and quick turnovers, sellers still hold a significant advantage. Zip code 33625. Month of inventory 2.19. Now, while still in a seller's market, the months of inventory have gone up to 2.19, which is a significant increase of 31.14% from the previous month. This indicates a shift toward a more balanced market, suggesting that buyers have a bit more breathing room and possible more options to choose from than before. List to sold price percentage is 99.6%. Homes in this area are selling incredibly close to their asking price as well. A figure this high at 99.6% with an uptick of 0.77% from last month shows that there is a fierce competition among buyers and there is a minimal room for price negotiation. Median days of 22 means that homes are staying on the market for a median of 22 days before selling. Although this is longer compared to the ultra-fast 7 days in the previous data, it is still relatively quick. This 37.5% increase month over month means homes are taking a bit longer to sell, which aligns with the increased inventory. The median sold price is $428,050. This drop shows a decrease of 4.88% month over month. This might indicate of a few larger price homes not selling or perhaps a higher volume of more affordably priced homes being sold. Overall, this area remains tilted in favor of sellers, but the dynamics are shifting somewhat. With a higher inventory and homes staying on the market that longer, buyers may find they have a bit more leverage than before. However, the incredibly high list to sold price ratio suggests competition remains fierce. For those considering selling, it remains a favorable time, but it's essential to price homes accurately given the slight cooling of the market. For potential buyers, while the competition is still intense, the slightly longer median days on the market could provide a bit more time to make informed decisions. For zip code 33615, the month of inventory is 2.3. The inventory has slightly increased to 2.3 months with a 10.51% rise from the last month. Once again, while we are still in a seller's market, the increase indicates we may be heading toward a more balanced market in the future. Buyers may have a bit more variety to choose from, yet the competition remains fairly high. List to sold price percent is 98.4%. This metric indicates that properties are selling very close to their listing prices. This having a slight increase of 0.33% from last month suggests buyers aren't getting huge discounts and the demand remains robust. Median days on the market are 15. Properties are on the market for a median of 15 days before they are sold. This represents a 40% decline from last month, meaning homes are selling faster. The market seems to be heating up, with properties being snapped up at a quicker pace in this zip code. The median sold price is $380,000, $450. This median sold price has experienced an increase. This is a 10.28% rise from the previous month, pointing to an upward trend in property values in the area. This could be due to various factors such as demand outpacing supply or perhaps higher-end properties driving up the median. The market remains favorable for sellers with the increased median sold price and properties selling near their asking price. However, with homes selling faster, potential buyers need to be ready to act quickly. It's still crucial for sellers to price their homes appropriately, even in this hot market, to attract the right buyers and expedite the selling process. For prospective buyers, even though it's a competitive market, the slightly growing inventory may provide more options to choose from, but they should be prepared for shift decisions making given the quick turnarounds of listings. I hope that helps you to clarify and understand better the current market dynamics. If for some reason you would like to get any market trends for a specific neighborhood or zip code, please leave your request in the comments below. I will be glad to give it to you. So here is a tip. If you are looking to buy, think beyond the four walls. Visit the area, talk to locals, and get a feel for the community. And if you are selling, showcase what makes your property a part of this vibrant community. That's what buyers fall in love with, the story of their future home. Remember, whether you are taking your first step into home ownership or you are adding another gem to your investment portfolio, understanding the market is key. If you are ready to explore the possibilities in any of these neighborhoods, let's chat. Reach out to me and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. And until next time.